Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to access reserve and e-reserve materials. First, you'll want to go to the library homepage. To the right of the search box is a drop-down list with the option Almost Everything selected. Click on that drop-down list and select the option Course Reserves. Then, type the course number, which includes the subject abbreviation and the 3-digit course number. I'm going to type Bio 100, which is the course number for an introductory biology course, and then hit the Enter key. The search has shown me 6 results, but the most important part of the search is actually the course listing to the left of the screen. You could see a list of different courses with materials in course reserves, along with a 3-letter code that will tell you the location of the University of Maine campus the course materials are for. ORO is short for Orono. Click on the course you're taking. Now we've narrowed down the list of course materials to materials for Bio 100 only. You can click on the title of a resource to see whether it's an electronic resource or a print resource. You'll be able to access electronic resources online. To access print resources, you'll need to come to Fogler Library and check out the material. Non-electronic reserve materials can be borrowed from the reserve desk for a total of 4 hours. Going back a step, I'm going to select a different course, this time Bio 302, which is a more advanced biology course. This course has electronic reserve materials, so the catalog record reads One Access Electronic Reserves. You can click on the title of the material or the Available Online link to get to the catalog record. Then click on the link under the View Online heading that reads Access Online Resource. This will take you to the login page, where you'll log in using the same username and password you used to log into your maine.edu email account. If you get an error rather than the login page, try this process in a different web browser. One thing you'll notice when you log into the eReserves page is that your course will not automatically be listed. You need to click on the Search Courses link in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the web page. Then you'll be asked what course you're searching for. You can search by academic department, instructor, or course number. We're going to search by course number. The results will list any version of the course that has electronic reserves. When you find the version of the course that you want, click on the Add Course link with the green plus sign next to it. You'll be returned to your eReserves homepage, and now the course or courses you have added should be listed. To look at the electronic reserve materials for a course, click on the View Course link for the course you want. You'll find a list of the electronic materials on reserve for this course, and you can open any of them by clicking on the link that says View Item. When you are finished, you can log out of the system by clicking on the Log Off link that appears in the top of the sidebar at the left side of your screen. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.